Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and this is my very first unboxing video. I'm so excited. Creekbank Creations let me know ahead of time they wanted to send me some of their new products for me to play with, and so it just came. It literally just came just now, and so I'm going to carefully I guess unbox it. Or unpackage it. So let's see what's in. They just said they were new products, so I have no idea what is in here. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so notes from them, which I will have to look and see. And I will read later on. Let's see. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Wow. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Oh, look. So beautiful. A die. Oh my goodness, I could totally see. Look at the whole series. I have so many ideas for these. Honestly, I see shaker cards where this is over vellum. I see, oh my gosh, I see that as backgrounds. I see, oh my goodness. And the stamp set, popping up to say happy birthday, popping up to say you are amazing, popping up to say Merry Christmas. That is wonderful. Oh, popping up. Pop up. Use this die set to create a pop-up sentiment in nearly any size cards. And it's a gift card pop-up die. I cannot, oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with this. I give a lot of gift cards. Wow. This is great. This is great. And let's see what is in the other one. I wonder why these are together. I guess we'll see. All right, super. Okay. And in this set, let's see, and a note, which I will read later. Oh, look! Oh my goodness, look at the die. Oh my gosh. Wow. So it's a star. Look at all these little stars. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to play with that. I'm seeing Christmas. I'm seeing birthday. I'm seeing 4th of July / Americana type cards. I'm seeing graduation. I'm seeing galaxy type cards. Oh my goodness. Exceedingly Great Joy. Oh, this has a lot of possibilities. It's a die. Are they all connected? Yes, they are. That is great. Look at that. 2 dies. Oh my goodness, a star inside of a star. Oh, it's a Bethlehem Star. Oh, wow. Follow the star to the greatest gift ever given, Jesus. Oh, and look at the little wise men going with the camels. Oh, look how it all goes. Oh my gosh. I am in love with that. Is this a die? That is outrageous. Oh my gosh. I can't even. I'm totally thinking, oh my gosh, I've got all kinds of ideas. Oh my goodness, wait till you guys see. When they saw the star, when they saw the star, they were overjoyed beyond measure. Oh, scriptures. This is Christmas. Ooh, I like the font. Oh, come let us adore him. May the gift of God's grace and the gentleness of his peace bless you this Christmas season. Oh, Christmas blessings. These are wonderful. May the peace and Lotta sentiments. May the peace and joy of the season stay with you. Oh, wow. Lots of Christmas. Oh, my goodness. And the peace of God, which transcends all understanding, will guard your hearts and minds. That's Philippians 4:17. Great scriptures. What's this? Double-stitched arches. Oh, my gosh. Oh. Now, I apologize for my, oh my gosh, I'm seeing a pocket. Oh my goodness. I'm seeing a cave. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing combinations here. This is going to be amazing. I said a cave. What's this? 4 dies, mountain and water. Oh, I'm seeing some slider cards. Definitely some slider cards. Ooh, I like the water. Oh, I love the mountain. This is outrageous. Oh, look at the baby. Look at the baby feet. Look at the cross. What is this here? Oh, I see how I see how it is. It's just, oh, look, you can do paper piecing. This is great. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you so much to Creekbank Creations, and I cannot wait to play with these stamps and dies. Definitely stay tuned for I don't want to say my next video because who knows what has already been scheduled in the meantime, but I'm definitely going to have a lot to do. So you're going to see a lot from Creekbank Creations at Sandpaper Road. I will link below to these products. And if you are watching this close to the date that it was uploaded, not sure if the products, I haven't even looked honestly to see if they're even up on the website because they're so new. But as soon as they become available up on the website, I will link to them so that you can get them, and they might already be there. So check the description box below and you can see what we can see. We'll just join this journey together. And definitely check out Creekbank Creations for other products, and stay tuned to Sandpaper Road for some cards, scrapbook pages, and other mixed media and papercraft projects. I cannot wait to play. Thank you, Creekbank Creations, and hope to see you soon. Okay, bye-bye.